In this lesson, we will talk about the mainboard number of Android phones. The mainboard number of an Android phone is a set of numbers used in the brand to distinguish specific models. The placement of components with different board numbers is different, and the drawings of mainboards with different board numbers are also different. For example, in the picture on the left, the number that starts with HL is the board number of this mainboard, HL2ELLEM. Then the board number of the Android mobile phone mainboard is generally regular, and it is on the A side of the mainboard. What is the A side of the mainboard? Generally, the mainboard has two sides. One side has battery holder and a power supply, and there are many connection sockets. This side is called the A side of the mainboard. The board number is generally located on the A side of the mainboard and is designed at the corners of the four sides. For example, this mobile phone, its board number is close to the edge of the mainboard. Huawei's board number. The board number of Huawei mobile phones usually starts with H and consists of letters and numbers. For example, this picture, which is a screenshot of a part of Huawei's mobile phone mainboard. The board number of this mainboard is HL6VOGUEMVA. The board number of Oppo mobile phone mainboard generally starts with the number 2 and is composed of numbers and letters. For example, in the picture on the right, the board number of this mainboard is 2ADO27. The board number of the mainboard of Vivo mobile phone generally starts with E and consists of letters and numbers. For example, the mainboard on the right, its board number is ET3011AM. The board number of the Xiaomi mobile phone mainboard usually starts with the number 35, which is composed of numbers and letters. In the picture on the right, its board number is 35100J1MOA. The board number of Samsung mobile phone mainboards generally starts with SM and is also composed of letters and numbers. For example, in the picture on the right, the board number of this mainboard is SMG975U or SMG9750. What is the role of the board number of the mobile phone mainboard in the actual maintenance? In actual maintenance, we sometimes receive a mainboard or a whole machine that has been seriously dropped. From the appearance, we can tell what brand or model this mainboard is. At this time, we can remove the mainboard and find the board number. We can enter the board number into the 鑫智造 equipment maintenance inquiry system. And then we can quickly find the specific model and the information of this mainboard, including the drawings and data. Now let me show you. For example, Oppo mainboard. We enter this board number 2ADO27 into 鑫智造 equipment maintenance query system. Click Search. The search results include R17 2ADO27 easy to use, physical scanning diagram, and component map. We can open these files directly, which will guide and assist our maintenance. Well, that's it for our lesson.